Today, we are here with some of our major leaders. Senator Abaribe is here with us. We are here to remind you that Saturday is election in AMAC. It's election in AMAC. And we want to start a new Nigeria. We want to start a Nigeria where our children will be in school. We want to start a Nigeria where there will be primary health care for our mothers, our children. We must have a health care that takes care of them. We want to start a new Nigeria where, look at all the road, look at the road coming here. We want to fix the road. That's why we're here campaigning. We want a Nigeria where a child of nobody will be somebody. Where they will start stealing public money so that this can work. Young people can have a job. That is what Moses is campaigning to be the chairman of AMAC. Dr. Mo is a PhD holder. Dr. Mo is working hard. He will change AMAC. He will make it work. So we're begging you to ensure that you vote for Dr. Mo. Please, he's our candidate. Go out there on Saturday, they'll come and give you money. Do not take their money. It's your money that they've stolen. It's your money that they've stolen. That's what they want to give it to you to vote. And when you vote them, the trouble will continue. Are you not tired of suffering? Thank you, and God bless you.
ADC, ADC, we never tire for hunger. We never tire for poverty. We never tire for broken road. never tire for criminality. Just last week, the House of Rep summoned the chairman of local government of Abuja over 100 billion. We are not here now. On Saturday, things will begin to change. How many of you know Atlas here? Atlas Hospital. Can you imagine a doctor being a counselor of Garki ward? Can you imagine that? Dr. Iroele is here. It means that our primary healthcare center is going to work. It means that women will not die in childbearing anymore. It means that our elderly women will have things to do, Abi. No more room for nyama-nyama. No more room for poto-poto. No more kitigaya. Not true, Abi, not be true. Mama, kuna wait. Mama, wait. I hear somebody say they don't write the result for Garki. I hear somebody say they go rig the election. Naija, when you hear where is that Ruptamuku result? Where is that Eric Muku election? Suisa, Bamagajiba, the one in Sata, the one in Iskanchi, the one in Lalata. Saturday Zamucho Bansu, Zamununa Muzuchewa, Mumpikar Bensu. The will of the people must prevail. Somebody say ADC! ADC! Do you know why we say arise? Because AMAC is on the floor right now. Garki is on the ground. Our mothers are on the floor. That is why we must arise. ADC! 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 Thank you and God bless you. Let's go.
ADC! 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 Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity of reminding you there's a local government election in AMAC Council on Saturday. Are you hearing us? ADC! ADC! There's a local council election. Please go out and vote for ADC. Go out and vote for ADC. 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 Please, there's an election coming up on Saturday. Go out and vote for ADC. We want a party for a new beginning of Nigeria. A new Nigeria is possible.
Yes, sir.
Please go out and vote for ADC. We want the schools to work. We want the hospitals to work.
Yes, sir.
We want them to have roads to come here. That's why we are coming here to campaign personally. We don't want campaign where people are sitting in the office, stealing public money. We don't want a Nigeria where a child of nobody can be somebody.
Yes, sir.
Look at our mothers. We want them to go to hospital. Look after these young ones who are going to be leaders of Nigeria tomorrow. Please go out and vote for ADC. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, sir. ADC! Are you here?
vote for on Saturday? Who are you going to vote for on Saturday? A vote for ADC is a vote for progress. Is a vote for education. Is a vote for healthcare. Is a vote for security. Is a vote for peace. You know we are here today because, listen to me, you know what Mr. Peter Obi did in education in Anambra, don't you know? We get Papa, oh. We get track record. Kobe, are you here? Okay, let's do something. Kobe, are you ready? Now our Papa be this, so we no get another one. Hey, now our Papa be this, so we no get another one. Kobe say now our Papa be this, so Kobe say now our Papa be this, so on Saturday, carry your pure water. On Saturday, carry your debino. On Saturday, pack your food. Because a new AMAC is possible. AMAC that works. AMAC that is responsible. AMAC that is accountable. AMAC that believes in education. AMAC that believes in healthcare. From now onwards, no more room for jaga jaga. We never tire. We never tire for bad leaders. We never tire for corruption. We never tire for darkness. From Saturday, a new Nigeria is, a new AMAC is. Good night and God bless you.
Get a space, please. Get a space. Get a space, please. Space, please. Come. Our president. Space, please. Come. ADC.